Hi there, and congratulations on choosing RDT121. Your driving journey starts right here. Our courses offer the most in-detailed, logical and easiest of concepts when it comes to driving theories. Why are we called RDT121? Well, the RDT stands for Real Driving Tutorial, and that's because we offer you real lessons taught by real instructors for real learners. The one-to-one is easy. It stands for one-to-one because you will have the visual effect of being behind the wheel yourself. Courses are designed to help just about everybody when it comes to driving. Whether you're an absolute beginner wanting to start from scratch, or you're an existing driver wanting a little refresher on your highway knowledge, or a top up on those advanced motoring skills, RDT121 has it covered. Our courses are suitable for anybody wanting to convert to an overseas license, anybody wanting to learn how to drive on the opposite side of the road, or existing drivers who just want some extra tips on how to remain safe. Our courses are even suitable for those of you wanting to learn how to become supervising drivers for other learners. Well, we have gone above and beyond to provide a series of driving tutorials that offer so much more than just top tips. We have invested significant time and extensive research into designing each of our lessons, tailoring each class to maximise the learning outcome. We provide a step-by-step structured process to meet your every need. We have courses for beginners, intermediate and advanced learners, so whatever you need, we're here to help. So, let's get started. Today's lesson is all about preparing to drive and how to control the vehicle. In today's lesson, we will be learning about the mechanism of turning. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the basic road rules for intersections. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about roundabouts. today's lesson, we will be looking at changing lanes and how to overtake. Today's lesson is about road markings and signs, and there's a lot to learn. Today's lesson is all about driving on motorways, through tunnels and in the countryside. In today's lesson, we will be learning about parking manoeuvres. In today's lesson, we will be learning about driving during the night. So, there you have it. Everything that you need to know about RDT121 in a nutshell. We hope you enjoy our course and take away as much information as we put in. Remember, you are your best teacher. After all, who knows you better than you, right? So, keep driving to learn as you learn to drive. Once you're behind the wheel, always remember to drive safely and respect your fellow road users. Be a leader, not a follower. Thank you so much for your time and really look forward to welcoming you on board, and look forward to meeting you very soon in one of our online forums. Bye for now.